Plan B's Twitter account has seen more activities in the past days as the popular independent analyst tries once again to explain the reasons for his failed November and December price predictions for Bitcoin. In a series of tweets on December 24 and more on Christmas Day, Plan B names possible reasons for the price prediction failures and once again reiterates that his stock-to-flow model is still on track. The institutional investor also makes a new price prediction for the flagship coin using the same model and asks his followers to follow the chart and not his words. Welcome to Savvy Finance. This video examines Plan B's latest price prediction for Bitcoin, issues that caused the failure of his last two price predictions, and why the stock-to-flow model remains intact. Please ensure you watch the video to the end, like this video, and subscribe to the channel. On December 24, Plan B released a new statement on his failed price prediction for November and December. Recall that earlier this year, Plan B made a series of price predictions for Bitcoin for August, September, October, November, and December. The institutional investor made the price prediction based on his floor model, and he hit the mark for the first three predictions. However, in November, things quickly went south as the coin failed to go anywhere near the $98,000 mark. The $135,000 price prediction for December did not fare better, neither did Plan B's other prediction that Bitcoin will hit an average of $100,000 before Christmas. Just before the failure of his last prediction, Plan B has taken to his Twitter account to explain why the price predictions have failed and clarify that the floor model which failed is different from his stock-to-flow model. In his tweet, Plan B states that, "Let me be clear. Number 1. November 98,000 and December 135,000 miss equals floor model fail. Number 2, December 100,000 miss. I have said earlier that if Bitcoin is less than $100,000 in December 2021, then stock-to-flow is off the rails, invalidated, dead. To be honest, that was an ill attempt to clarify the $100,000 average this cycle and regression analysis. Stock-to-flow model is intact." The independent analyst explains that though the King coin did not meet the $100,000 target, it has remained within one standard deviation band, and as long as it continues to do so even for the next 2.5 years, the stock-to-flow model will still be on track. The standard deviation band, which Plan B says is between $50,000 and $200,000, is a key component of the stock-to-flow model. According to Plan B, as long as Bitcoin stays within $50,000 and $200,000 even till mid-2024, the stock-to-flow model will still be valid and on track. Here is the analyst's tweet. Stock-to-flow intact. Key is that Bitcoin $51,000 is still within one standard deviation band of stock-to-flow model, roughly $50,000 to $200,000. If Bitcoin stays within one standard deviation band for the next 2.5 years, then stock-to-flow model is still valid and indeed useful for me. Of course, you should make your own call. For further clarification on the floor model fail, Plan B also states that floor model fail. Misses like this have not happened in the last 10 years. Floor model is like 200-week moving, but within geometric instead of arithmetic mean. Geometric mean never increased less than 4.9% per month. So I could calculate Bitcoin from August to December. However, November was only 3.7% and December 3.7%. In reply to a comment, Plan B also talks about the importance of ranges, stating that he does not consider tops and bottoms, but prefers to base his predictions on ranges and averages. What makes stock-to-flow or any model useful in my opinion is the range, for example. One standard deviation band. I look at averages and ranges, not tops and bottoms. On Christmas Day, Plan B tries once again to defend his stock-to-flow model, applauding it for staying within one standard deviation band for the past 3 years. He explains that it would be preposterous to believe that such a model has failed because of the past month's events. Imagine thinking a model that has stayed within one standard deviation band for 3 years has failed. In my opinion, we are in the exact same position as in March 2019 when I published stock-to-flow model at the low end of the one standard deviation band. Do your own research. Look at the charts. Your choice. When a follower points out that Plan B himself had stated that stock-to-flow would be invalidated if Bitcoin does not meet certain conditions, the analyst replies with, "No, I tried to explain standard deviation, ranges, regression analysis in trader terms. Time and level December 100,000 and failed. What model, formula, stats, standard deviation bands have been there since March 2019 when I published stock-to-flow article. Your choice. Focus on what I said or what model or chart shows. New price prediction for Bitcoin. A major highlight of Plan B's series of tweets comes when a follower points out that the chart shows that we might not see another all-time high till 2024. In reply, Plan B states that the flagship coin will instead bounce around between $50,000 and $200,000, one standard deviation band between now and 2024. The tweet reads, "No. According to this chart, Bitcoin will bounce between 50,000 and 200,000 until 2024. We are at 50,000, current all-time high is 69,000, and it is likely we hit 200,000 before 2024. It should be noted that the institutional investor has reiterated several times this year that there would be a massive 80% drawdown, possibly sometime next year. The latest prediction that prices will bounce around between now and 2024 might be pretty much in line with the 80% drawdown." In another reply, Plan B names the China ban and Omicron as possible reasons for the disruption in the cycle and model predictions. "In my opinion, we are just delayed a bit by the China ban and Omicron. I guess patience is key." So, we can look forward to more accurate price predictions from Plan B through a stock-to-flow model. But, as many people in the comments point out, things are changing rapidly, especially with the institutional players' involvement and the possibility of lengthening cycles. However, Plan B has made some pretty impressive price predictions in the past using his models, so we can definitely expect more impressive feats from him.
Today's episode is sponsored by iTrust Capital, the #1 crypto IRA platform in America. We allow you to invest in your favorite cryptocurrencies without worrying about taxes. That's right, iTrust Capital allows you to buy and sell your favorite cryptocurrencies completely tax-free. That means if you invest $10,000 into Cardano and it grows to $100,000, all of your profits are tax-free. Why is it tax-free? We took the existing retirement account industry and flipped it on its head. Instead of boring stocks and bonds, you can invest in crypto. How is it secured? Through Coinbase Custody, one of the leading cold storage providers with a $320 million insurance policy to protect against theft, hacks, and loss of funds. Roll over your existing retirement account, or even start a new one from scratch. Questions? Schedule a free call with one of our crypto retirement account specialists, and they can help you discuss your options. Start your crypto IRA today and retire early, only at iTrust Capital. Click the link in the description to open a free account now.
If you have any thoughts about Plan B's latest statement about his models, please share them in the comment section below. Also, remember to like and share the video and subscribe to Savvy Finance for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.